Hey, Johncrestani here, and today's video I'm going to be talking about the man, the myth, the 19-year-old legend Vargas. I don't know if you've heard about this kid, but he made over $1 million last year at the age of 18, running an e-commerce store, and he's also a very popular YouTuber who talks about the different methods he does to make money. If you follow his channel, comment below. If you've never heard of him, let me know. But this man is really amazing. He's very young and he's doing a lot of big things on YouTube. And I'm going to be talking about 5 different lessons that I've learned from following Vargas' success and watching his videos. So let's check it out and decide for yourself. Hey, Johncrestani here, internet marketer, and I like to model success. I like to follow success. And Vargas, with making over $1 million last year on e-commerce and just having an exploding YouTube channel, has been an interesting person that I've been keeping my eye on. I'm not sure if any of you have, but he's very interesting, and I'm gonna go over 5 different lessons that I've learned from following him. So first off is a focus on quality, okay? Focus on quality. Now you'll see on this channel, I release 5 videos a week. Vargas releases 1 video a week, and he's growing about 4 times faster than myself. And the reason is because he has such a monster focus on quality. Now, I made a resolution to do 5 videos a week the rest of the year. And I'm gonna continue doing that for the rest of the year. Every single day this year, there's gonna be a video going out. But I really admire Vargas' approach, which is just 1 video a week. And it kind of shows that it isn't always about quantity. Quality matters a lot. And in Vargas' case, he might release 1 video a week, but that video will actually be a week, take him an entire week to film. He will talk about his journey of doing day trading for an entire 7 days, and show people how he learned it, what software he used, what programs he used, how much he made, how much he lost, etc. So really just focusing on the quality of the video, I believe, has helped him and his channel grow massively. And that brings me to my second point. Another thing I really like about him is he smiles a lot. He's got a great smile. I mean, check this out. He's always smiling, or he's always got this little grin on his face, right? And I think smiling and optimism is infectious, and I'm a big believer in positive thinking and all sort of stuff, but some people say I don't smile enough. So I love the fact that big smile. I believe it really just is infectious and helps other people and helps grow his channel. Now, the third point is just being transparent. And like I said, in his videos, he'll actually detail out his process. He'll say, I tried making money on apps for 8 hours, and he will bring you through his entire process, his profits, his losses, every app he downloaded for 8 hours. If he tells you he's going to show you what he did to renovate a house, to buy and fix a house, he's very transparent, and that transparency creates trust and is, I think, very important for anything anybody does on YouTube. If you're doing YouTube, be transparent. Show people tell people what you're thinking. Tell people your process for going about something. You don't need to hide from people, because ultimately people will figure you out. So always be transparent. Now, my fourth point is really interesting for anybody looking to begin doing YouTube. There is no need to be an expert. I believe this is illustrated in Vargas' videos, where he goes into areas where he has 0 experience in. He'll say, I tried e-commerce for a week. Or I tried drop shipping for a week. I tried day trading for a week. I tried making money on apps for a week. He goes into areas where he has no idea of, he's never tried before, and he's not an expert in them. But you'll still see millions upon millions upon millions of people want to see his videos about him trying something. I've heard a lot of people come to me and say, John, you're an expert on affiliate marketing and marketing. I can't start a YouTube channel because I'm not an expert. And that's exactly the opposite. People want to hear from people who are not experts, because people look at me, I'm a multimillionaire, and they say, John's already rich, I can't do that as well, John's so successful. What people really want to see is they want to see people who are just like them, in the same position as them, but they're taking action. They want to see how they learn, what programs they use, what they're doing to make money, what their thought process is. And Biaheza does a very good job of documenting that and taking people from where he is, where they are, just a step beyond. And that's why his videos are great. They really meet people where they stand right now. And the last lesson that I've learned from watching Biaheza's videos is be entertaining, right? Be entertaining. He makes his videos exciting. His editing is in your face. And he's an interesting, entertaining person to watch. And as we all know, anybody who's been to college knows that college is full of old, boring farts. Okay, no offense if you're an old, boring professor fart, but the point being, people want entertainment. Education should be entertaining. Elon Musk talks about this. Education needs to be like an action movie. It should be edited. It should have fast cuts. It should have special effects. And that's what we need to make education in order for it to move forward into the future. A lot of people are doubtful about teachers such as Biaheza, myself, Alex Becker, Kevin David, Ty Lopez. People say it's scammy, but the reason people follow us is because one, we are successful, and two is because we try to be entertaining. And no matter what you do on YouTube, if you want to be a YouTuber, be entertaining. Anything in life, if you're entertaining and if you attract people around you, you will be more successful. Woo! So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this. Let me know in the comments below whether which was your favorite point that you learned in this video. Also, if you want to subscribe to Biaheza's channel, there should be a link somewhere around my face that you can subscribe to his channel. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I talk about marketing and how to create a home-based business from the internet every single day, and I break things down. I talk about success and mindset as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, enable all notifications, and looking forward to talking to you soon. Have a good day.